Hi everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb coming at you today with the video de-thatching the lawn. It's the annual thing that I've got to do. It's something I never had to do in America, but apparently here moss grows crazy and it takes over everything. One thing you might not know about de-thatching your lawn is it's necessary to keep the grass from kind of suffocating on itself or like in the back of the yard with moss. One other thing we've done is put down lime to change the pH of the lawn, as well as fertilizer once it started to rain a little bit, and then once that was also gone, I threw down some seeds. But that's all recent and I'm hoping that it will kick up. This is a video of when I did it. I'm trying to catch up with the new stuff as quickly as I can, but work seems to hit me every time harder as soon as I buckle down and try to get it done. So I hope you will sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I'm looking forward to making more videos for you. Like and subscribe, it would help me out a lot. And I will see you again next time.